In this video, I'm walking you through the 6 layers of building an AI operating system with Notion and Claude so that your business can move with speed and give you cognitive freedom. The ability to stop holding your business in your head because you have an efficient and reliable system that you trust, allowing you to focus 70% of your time on strategic, creative, and relationship-based activities because you're not working in the business anymore, you're working on the business. This is ultimately the goal of an AI operating system and what I'll help you achieve and build using Notion and Claude. And these 6 steps that I'm going to be sharing in this video is what I'm personally following to build out my own AIOS and what we've already started to implement for our clients. And if you want to work with us to help you implement this into your business in the next 30 days or just get access to my AIOS, then click the first link in the description below and make sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel, as everything that I'm learning and building I'm going to be sharing here on YouTube. Now, with that out of the way, let's go into the 5 core problems that an AIOS solves and then the 6 steps that you can take in order to build one. So through the agency, we've done countless of system audits and literally every single business owner across almost every industry had the same 5 problems. Number 1, knowledge and processes lives in people's heads, not in systems. Number 2, there's no single source of truth with information being scattered across 10 to 15 different tools. Number 3, there's no CEO dashboard giving the founder visibility on their business or what their team is working on. Number 4, data tracking isn't automated, so the founder does not know their numbers. And number 5, fulfillment can't scale because everything still requires the founder's time. And not a single one of these problems can be solved by working harder or hiring more people. The only way out is through systems. And the reason we're talking about systems before we talk about AI is because AI is only as effective as the systems, processes, context, and data that it has access to, just like an employee. Having good systems will always give you a competitive advantage over someone who doesn't, whether you give those systems to your team or to Claude. It doesn't change the fact that your business needs systems. You can't automate processes that you haven't defined, and you can't put AI onto your business system if you don't have one. So systems is the foundation. It makes your business visible, it gives you leverage so that you can scale your business, and it's how you and your team stays grounded and make AI practical and actually useful. So building an AI operating system is less about AI and more about building your systems in such a way that you can put AI inside the system so that it can automate and run your business for you. So Notion is the system and Claude is the AI employee that we put inside the system. Alright, so now that you understand what an AI operating system is and the problems that it solves, here is the 6 different layers that you need to build in order to create one. The first layer is system. The second layer is context. The third layer is data. The fourth layer is intelligence. The fifth layer is automation. And the last layer is optimization. Now we're going to go through each of these one by one, and I'm going to explain what they are, but also over the next few weeks here on YouTube, I'm going to make a dedicated video going deep into every single one of these layers, showing you step by step how to build them. So make sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and that your notifications are turned on for this AIOS series. The first layer is the system. This is the foundation for everything else because without it, we don't have anything to automate, we have no visibility and nothing to build the other layers on top of. Now for each layer, I'm going to use a car analogy to help explain what it is. So for this first layer, you can think of this as the chassis and the engine of your car. This is the machine itself. It's already 80% of what a car actually is. And this is where we start because without it, you can't really do much else. This is the Notion workspace that you and your team use in order to actually grow the business. This is the system architecture, the databases and the relations between them, the CEO, team and department dashboards, and overall just how you manage and organize your entire business. This is how you make your business visible and go from working in the business to working on the business. Now we've been building custom Notion workspaces for multiple years now, long before Claude became a thing. And let me tell you, having this first layer in place is already 80% of the value of an AIOS, especially if you have a team and you're currently scattered across 10 to 15 different tools. So that's why having a simple, intuitive and effective Notion system is going to be the foundation and the first layer of building an AIOS. And to know if you have layer 1 in place, just ask yourself the following question. If someone new joined your business tomorrow, could they find everything that they need without asking you a single question? The second layer of an AIOS is context. This is the business knowledge and information. To continue with the car analogy, this is the make and model of the car, this is how the car works, the owner's manual and the rules of the road. This is the layer where you define your business vision, values, principles, team structure, SOPs, brand guidelines, ICP, offers, pricing, literally everything that you, your team, and AI needs in order to understand your business from the inside out. AI is only as effective as the context that you give it, and this context is what we document and organize inside our Notion workspace through a company brain. A question you can ask yourself to see if you have this layer in place is, if you give Claude access to your business right now, would it understand your vision and where you're going, how you and your team operates, and the internal processes for running and growing the business? The third layer is data. This is all of the live numbers, KPIs, metrics, and information that you need in order to make informed decisions and to know whether or not your business is growing. Inside of a car, this would be the car's dashboard showing the speed, the fuel, the temperature, and all of the other information that you need in order to drive the car without having any problems. This layer is all about knowing the numbers, getting a pulse on the business, and using automation tools like N8N, Zapier, or Make to automate the data between all the different tools and platforms you're using, whether it's YouTube and Instagram, or Shopify, Stripe, and School, to automate all of the data into one Notion system that you can go to for visibility and that AI can access to know what's going on in the business and to help you make informed decisions. The question you can ask yourself at this stage is, do you know your numbers, and is your data automated into one Notion dashboard that you can go to for visibility? The fourth layer is intelligence. This is all about AI and integrating it into the previous three layers. This is the person driving the car, knowing how to drive and deciding where to go. This is where we put Claude inside our Notion workspace so it can access the system, context, and data that it needs in order to make informed decisions, automate processes, and run the business. This is all about setting up Claude Cowork and Claude Code, connecting Claude via the MCP, and setting up the Claude.md file, as well as all of the skills that Claude needs in order to effectively operate and run the Notion system. Question you can ask yourself here is, can you send a voice note to Claude on your phone and get a full report giving you visibility on what your team is currently working on, their KPIs, and how your business is performing compared to the previous week? The fifth layer is automation. This is where you go from telling Claude what to do to Claude running autonomously in the background. This is where you go from a Toyota to a Tesla, where you go from driving the car to the car driving you, and all you have to do is just provide the direction. This is where you go from chatting with Claude to actually turning it into an AI employee that runs on its own and completes its tasks, whether it's creating content drafts, client proposals, or meeting summaries, or creating SOPs, financial reports, or strategic recommendations. Whatever it needs to create, it will create that inside of Notion and keep a log of everything that it is doing so that you have visibility on exactly what Claude is producing. So the question for this layer is, do you have Claude working autonomously in the background, or are you still the one that needs to open the chat and ask it to do something for you? The last layer is optimization. This is all about system hygiene, improvement, and maintenance. This is you servicing the car and maintaining it to avoid the car breaking down and costing you a lot more in the long run. This is such an important layer that most business owners for some reason neglect completely, which is why they abandon their systems and start blaming the tools. So this layer is you ensuring that the system that you're using keeps running, you're maintaining it, and you're improving it so that you combat system entropy. System entropy is the tendency for systems to break down without active maintenance. Just like everything else in the physical world, everything tends towards disorder unless you actively maintain and improve it. And your business systems is no exception. This layer is ensuring that your system is adapting as your business grows, is updated with the latest features. This is your weekly briefs, your quarterly SOP reviews, your Claude.md file improvements, AI performance audits, and the habit of system hygiene. This is you asking Claude to analyze the system and itself and to help you improve it. The last question here is, will your system adapt as your business grows and improve over time the longer you use it without you having to do anything? Having even just one of these 6 layers in place will already create massive leverage in your business, but it's only when you combine them into a cohesive AI operating system that your business will be able to move with speed and give you the cognitive freedom that you need in order to grow and scale. The value in today's economy isn't labor or information anymore, it is speed. AI isn't slowing things down, it is speeding it up. So if you want to stay ahead, if you want your business to survive, you need to adapt to the rate and the speed at which things change, and the only way to do that is through systems, AI, and automation. This is why having an AI operating system is so important and what the businesses winning in 2026 already have in place. So if you're a business owner who wants to move with speed and you want to set up your own AIOS, with Notion and Claude in the next 30 days, then just click the first link in the description below. And while you're down there, make sure to click the like button if you found this video useful, or if you didn't, press the dislike button twice, and check out this next video if you want to learn how to build the first layer of your AIOS, which is the Notion system. I'll see you there.